we studied list. List is the collection of data. We can modify the list during runtime and we declare it in square brackets. We also studied tuple. Tuple is the collection of data, but we can't modify the tuple during runtime and we declare tuple using round brackets. And our next data collection data type is set. Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of set. Well, set is the unordered collection of data with no duplicate elements. Set can be modified and set is declared in curly brackets. Let's understand what this definition means. First, declare a set. We will write variable name A and in curly brackets write values 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 separated by commas. Print the set variable A. Now run the code. Well, we got the output. We can even declare set with string data. Declare fruit set with values apple, mango and banana. Print the set using print statement like this. Run the code. Here is our output. Always remember one thing. Set is an unordered data. So the output will not be in the same order as the declaration. Listen, you studied list, then tuple, and now we are learning set. Most of the properties of this data collection data type are same except for some key differences. So we will be quickly reviewing these properties of set data type. If you have practiced list very well, then this all will be super easy for you. Now suppose you want to add an element to the set A. We will write A, that is our variable name of the set, and then dot and then add function and in bracket pass the value 60. Print the set using the print statement. Run the code. You can see 60 in the set. Always remember, set is unordered, so you can never know which position element is added in the set. Another specific property of the set is that all the elements in the set are unique. To verify this, let's try adding 50 to the set A. Run the code. You see, still set has only one value of 50. You can try adding 50 3-4 times in the set A. Run the code. Again, you see only 150 value is there in our set. Now suppose you want to add multiple element to the set. To add multiple element in set, we use the update method. Again, consider this set with values 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. In the next line, declare a list ls with value 60 and 70. Write a.update and in bracket pass the value ls. Then print the set A. Run the code. You see the value in set A is updated. Look at this line. Here the update method accepts the parameter of type list. It's not necessary to declare a list first. You can write a.update and in brackets write square bracket. And in square bracket 3 values separated by commas. These values in the square bracket are nothing but the list. I hope you remember what you studied in the list. Now run the code. You see you got the updated value in set. Well, we added multiple values to the set by passing the list. We can also update the set by passing a different set. Just declare a set with value 2, 3 and 4. Now we will write s.update and in round brackets write a curly bracket with values 5 and 6. This value in curly brackets are nothing but our set. Then print the set s. Now run the code. Well, we got the update value in set. So in this session, we studied how to declare a set and how to print the set. We also studied how to use add and update function in the set. I have not included how to access the set elements one by one. It's precisely like accessing a list using a placeholder. In the next session, we will study few more features of set. Please practice well. That's the only way to understand the set in depth. All the examples are available in this URL. See you in the next session.